So this is the pound yen analysis for Tuesday, December. Now, let's have a look what happened with prices more recently and where they might possibly go. So we came down towards this 149.78 level marks out here in red, indicating it's a strong level. We did have pretty much a perfect touch. Saw a bullish move. We traded above this 52.85, which was the highs of 2017 so far. We did close back into the range. We did close back below this 52.85 on the daily chart. What we have seen is a further selling continuation ever since we weren't able to hold on to that level. So we've seen the selling momentum come to the market. We had a brief consolidation, a brief little pullback. Then we saw some further sell side momentum come to the market. Now we've come down to the 200 period moving average. We've had a minor reaction, but we are looking at this horizontal level marked out here in the charts. Now this horizontal level, which is of interest to us, is this 151.25. Now 151.25 is a weekly pivot that I've been using for a couple of weeks now. As you can see, we have seen some reactions from that 151. Well, further back in the past, we have seen some reactions to that 151.25. So if we do hold on to 151.25, again, we'll be looking for more upside buy side momentum. If we do successfully navigate, especially if we do successfully navigate the 200 period moving average, again, we'll be looking to target the 52.85. If we do see bullish buy side momentum coming to the market, a break from which we'll look at the most recent highs being in and around, let's just have a check where that is, being in around this 53, let's just say 53.50. We'll see how we react. If we do see some bullish buy side momentum, again, we will be aware of this 52.85, a break from which we're looking for 53.50. Now, if we do see a further continuation to the downside, however, if we do break below this 51.25, we'll be targeting at 50.56. Over here again, we did see some buy side momentum coming off that 50.56. So we'll see how prices react towards that 50.56 for potential for bullish buy side momentum to retest the most recent levels and the most recent highs also. Now, if we do break down from this 50.56, again, we will target the 400 period moving average, currently sitting at 150. Below which we're looking for the major horizontal level marked out here in red at 49.78. Now, a break from that 49.78, depending on market volatility, we're looking to see our price react around at 49.10. And we've mentioned all the dynamic as well as horizontal levels. With that said, we'll just go over to the daily chart before wrapping up here on the pound yen. Now, over on this daily chart, you can see here, so we've had our highs of 2017 so far. We've had selling momentum, found support. We've had move back up, we've had a breakdown, found support again at the same level in around at 47.35, possibly slightly below it here on this daily chart. Yes, in and around this 47.35, we saw the bullish buy side momentum coming to the market. We've tested our 52.85 on one occasion. We do see some sell side momentum coming to the market as indicated there, and we've tested the 52.85 more recently on a second occasion. And again, we've had a pin bar posted. We've had a bearish candle, so we do look poised for more sell side momentum in light of the most recent trend and the rejection for price above this 52.85. Now, we do have to be aware of this very strong bullish candle just here prior to this move towards that 52.85 test. But overall, we do seem poised for more sell side momentum. It does seem that we've come to the top of this little trading range that we are in at the present, and prices have stalled, so we might see a deeper retracement, possibly could possibly be it would be somewhat a bit of a reversal if we were to retest 47.35. But in light of us testing this 52.85 on a few occasions now, what we might see is a deep retracement before we go on to test our 52.85, before we possibly see a break and a move towards that 160 on the pound against Japanese yen. But we just have to just take the market as it comes, and on this analysis, in light of the most recent trend, which is to the downside and the rejection, we do look poised for more downside momentum on the pound against the yen until we do have possibly a catalyst to indicate a turnaround of the pound against yen. And with that said, that's the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.